Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Google Maps on your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. First, make sure you're connected to an internet. Once you are, go tap Open Google Maps application. Also, make sure you're signed into your Google account after opening up Google Maps. Search for a place. For example, let me search in San Francisco. Once you make your search, at the bottom, tap on the name or address of the place. And now, tap on the download button at the top right. Now you can drag in or zoom to adjust the map like how you'd want it to be downloaded on your device. And once you make your adjustments, tap on download at the bottom right. The download process has been started. If you've searched for a place like a restaurant, tap on the three dots at the top right corner from the page and tap on download offline map. Select the location inside the frame that you'd like to download and tap on download at the bottom right. After you download the area, use the Google Maps app just like you normally would. To find the downloaded area, you can go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and go to offline maps. You'll be able to see all of the downloaded maps displayed on the screen right here at the bottom. Open up any maps that you have downloaded and tap on the map. Once you do that, you'll be able to download Google Maps and browse through it offline. Remember that in your offline driving directions, you cannot get traffic info, alternate routes, or lane guidance. That is how you can easily download Google Maps with your Google Maps application on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.